Hi all, it's Rob here, manager of Oasis Karting. Today I'm going to show you how do we maintain our clutches. So a couple of the tools that we're going to use today is a 17mm spanner. We're going to use a hex key to get the clutch off, and then we'll be using some grease on the clutch today. So I'm going to run you through how we maintain our clutches here at Oasis. The first thing we're going to do is take all the clips off the back of the cart so we can get the rear guard off the cart so we can get to all the butts that we want to get to work on the clutch. Nice and simple. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to knock the clutch key loose. So we put the hex spanner on and knock it loose with a bigger spanner. And that loosens the bolt off, and then you can just unscrew it with your fingers. And then we put everything in the seat so we don't lose anything. Next thing we need to do is undo the engine bolts underneath. So we're going to completely take off the front one and just loosen the back one off. Now they're loosened, we'll try and get the clutch off. So next bit we're going to do is take the clutch off of the engine. So we're going to pull the engine back and then loosen it off to get the chain off. Nice and easy. The important bit is to take out the key that's in the middle of the clutch so we don't lose it, because that needs to go back in after we've finished. So now I've taken the clip off and the washer off and separated the clutch into its two parts. So what we're looking at on the clutch is we're looking for any wear on the edges. So this will be changed soon, so it's getting close to the holes, so we'll need changing over and make sure that the springs are fairly tight and they're not loose and it's not rattling around too much, so otherwise it makes horrible noise when the go-karts are running. So now we're going to grease the outside of the casing and then we'll put this all back together. So we've got the clutches all greased now and moving fairly easily around. It was a little bit seized as it's been on the cart for a little while sitting, but now it should be good to go again. So now what we're going to do is do everything in the reverse order. So we're going to stick the clutch back on, get the key in, tighten everything up, tighten the engine back up, and then we're going to run it for a little bit just to make sure that it's running okay. So now we're going to try and get the clutch back on the cart. So we'll get it back onto the chain. Try and line it up so we can get it back onto the engine like that. Next thing we've got to do is get the clutch key, make sure we put it in the right way and stick it into the cart to line everything up. The key back in, we can start tightening up the clutch bolt again. So then what we're going to do is we're going to tighten up the engine from underneath, making sure that the chain tension's okay, and then we'll tighten up the clutch bolt again, and then we'll run it to make sure that everything's okay. So I've got my spanner and I've got the front engine bolt back. So now we're going to put these back in and tighten these back up. So with these you want to make sure that they're both fairly tight and then try and get them both as tight as each other before you give them that final tighten. So they're both tightening up at the same time. Just checking the chain tension before I make them fully tight, which seems okay. So we're going to tighten them up fully now. Now the engine's back tight underneath. We're going to start the engine and make sure everything's running okay. So what we're going to do now is start the Kart up, make sure that the chain's going around all right, make sure the clutch is moving smoothly and not making any ticking noises. So we've got no weird sounds or nothing sounds out of place on the Kart. So that's the clutch taken off, greased, put back on. All we've got left to do is put the rear guard back on and then this Kart will be ready for action when we're back up and running. So we've got the rear guard back on, the clutch is fully completely greased and ready to go again. So next time you come and visit us, the Karts will be in good working order, or if you're here doing an AQA or a mechanics course with us, you can watch this video and get a bit of an idea of what you'll be doing on the day. Right, I'll see you next time on one of our maintenance videos.